see now how the system is on. Hello YouTube viewers, once again welcome to this production. This is thank you once again for your comments and contribution you have made to this channel. This is the only channel that is bound to educate you and to bring to your knowledge the invention of free energy system in the world. Today I'm going to talk about something very important which I know you will enjoy it. I know the knowledge acquired in this channel will not be in vain, to be of help to you. I want to also encourage you to subscribe to this channel so that you can get an update of different things happening and daily update of the operation we are doing, because my research team are up and doing to bring different update and innovation as long as free energy is concerned. Today I'm going to talk about how to run two free energy generator is 20 kVA and 10 kVA with one single motor. How you can run two different energy generator with one single motor. This is very important. How to run these two. You're going to run two generators. These two generators, that is 20 kW, that is kilowatts, and 10 kilowatts with one single motor. Is it possible for you to run this? Many people will say no, it is not possible. It can't be possible. But I want to tell you it's possible. It's possible for you to run these two energy generators at the same time. All you need to know is to know the capacity of your motor. That's what I'm going to show you the secret now. But the secret you need to know is very, very important, and I don't want you to miss it. How to run two different generators using one single motor. How this is possible. Now you can take a look at this. Now you see this is a generator number one, and this is a generator number two, and this is one single electric motor. This is two generators. This is one, and this is two, and these two generators are being run with one single motor. This is one, and they are being configured in this control panel. You see, this is a secret. Now this motor has a bed and flywheel, which is this one, and the two of them are linked to this flywheel also, which is also joined. And there is also another motor here, which is also have another flywheel and also been attached to this one, which means the two generators now are running at the same time using this power of this man. So this man now, as he is turning, is also turning this one and also turning this one, and the two of them are generating. This is 20 kVA and this is 10 kVA, and the two of them are generating voltage at the same time. This is one of the secrets that make free energy generator the best. This cannot be happening in other generator. There's no way you can run two generators at the same time using one single motor without fuel, without petrol. This is a secret you need to know. So, and for you to do that, you have to have a bigger rods or ions as a bigger this one. Then you mount these two using screw, as this is mounted screw, and they are closer. This, as you can see, this one and this one are closer because of the bed that is close to this one. Then this bed are all being joined using two flywheel. The same thing to this bed is being run about also. One of the things you will need most is the flywheel, because the flywheel is the one that enables the two ions to be joined. And the same thing to this place. Now these many flywheel are also joined with the rod and iron, and then the cable here, as you can see, is being connected now all to this control panel. This control panel is the one that houses everything here. Now this light here is also joined to this place. Why two generators? The two generators to enable the voltage system be increased, because if you have a big job to be done that require a high voltage system, you need to have different generators to be able to run it faster. But I mean, if this one is running, this one can be running and buy something else. Why this one is also running something and buy something else, but the same voltage is being run to this blade. Now this one now, the voltage from the generator is being sent to this control panel, while the voltage for this generator is being used for external use in different things. So the two of them are working, but using one electric motor. This is one of the secrets you need to know, and this is what make free energy generator very good, because some of you will not understand the secret. You will not know that this can be possible, and that is why you have to subscribe to this channel, because more update is coming, more things is coming your way, and more things you need to know that will enable the channel to enable you to know about the inventions we are carrying out, about team research work. You need to know. I've told you about the control panel, which enable you to switch off and switch on to the system. Now let's take a look at this production. This is the wedding machine. Now this is look now. Take a look at this now. This is the generator, and this is with the control switches, the cables. As you can see, these cables are run down to this point and directly to the control panel. And then this is the mini flywheel, which it runs with this one. Now if you look at down now, there's another mini flywheel, that is small flywheel that is attached to this one, down to this edge, which is connected to this rod here. So this bed run this one together like this, which control this, while this bed now run the other one together, which control this one. So the two of them are run using this electric motor. This electric motor, as you can see now, is already being run on its own with a two flywheel system that are joined together, and when it spin, the two flywheel spin. As you can see, this is a bearings. This bearings is also used for joining these two flywheels. As this is the flywheel, and this is bearings, and this is the bearings, and the two of them are mounted on the rod. As you can see here, this is a very thick rod that the two of them are mounted. But what you have to know is that while this generator is generating its own voltage, this one is also generating its own voltage, and make the whole thing easier. So you can see now how the system is run. You can see the beauty of it now. Because of the voltage that is very high, you can see that this thing is being cut in a very full speed without the generator reducing voltage. It's one of the beauty of this mounting it too, especially when you are doing industrial work. This is most important when you are into industrial work. If you are doing industrial work, it's very important for you to have such a high voltage system, because you can see now this is how this is being cut. It's cutting this in a very fast way. Ordinarily could have been done if you are only using this system. Could have been as far as it is now, but since it was a combined generator being used, now you can see this is being cut in a very, very high speed. That is one of the beauties you have to know about this system. Now if you look at it critically, you see that the cable here send the voltage directly to this control switch, and also the control switch also supply to this motor, which make it very beautiful. And then this control is motor are also sending its own voltage to the control switch, so it make a combination. So control switch now is the one that now houses all the voltage that move from these two masters, from this 20 kVA and this 10 kVA. These two of them are now flow to this place. That's the beauty of this system. Now you can see now in this place, you can see this the indication light, that is the red light that shows that the light has entered here, and this is the blue light. You can see this control switch. I want to tell you that in the next production, I'm going to show you how you can configure the control panel. And also go to the playlist, go to my video playlist. You will also learn about some other things which how to do with other configuration, because in my last production I talked about how you can configure some switch. I show you about how some switch has been configured. So if you go to the playlist of the videos in my channel, you will see most of these things there. So there are a lot of things you know about even the energy system, the certain process and other things. So you go there, you have knowledge on all this one, because it's very important for you to go to the playlist, because you might not get this one in a full detail, but if you go to the playlist, you can also have more of that process again. Now this is the welding machine. This is welding machine which also receives supply from this generator. It's attached here, and this is the welding master. This is attached to this point, so you can after the cutting you can also use this one to weld. That is the beauty of this. Now you can see these two cables. Now these two cables are from the generator, which is 10 kVA, and why this one that is very big and is coming from this the other side, while this one is also supplying voltage to this master, which is the electric motor. Which electric motor now is the one that do the work of turning. It turns the two machine because it has the capacity to do that. So one of the things you need to know, if you want to have a good turning, you must have a very high voltage system, electric motor. You can see the system now. You see how it is in with tires. This is the tire system. Then this voltage, now this place is the where we have the current for welding. Now you see that if from here, now you see this cable here is run to enter this control panel, which enable the system to be used for welding, because this is a welding machine which is mostly for industrial purpose. So with this thing attached it now, you can be able to weld whatever you want to weld and smoothly. So take a look at this very well. See the speed ratio. And see the capacity, how high it is. It tells the machine is supreme and is powerful. It's running the system with very, very high speed. You can see the speed at which the system turns the machine, to tell you that this is not just a maintenance, the system is working perfectly, because you can see how it's running the generator very in full speed. And see this is the cable system. This is the cable that link to this point. This is the control switch point. These are the cables up and down. This cable up and down now. All these cables are run to this control here, and this cable control. And this bed now, you can see this bed I told you about. This bed come to this point, to this bed, to this flywheel here, and return back. So the same turning here is able to serve this purpose here. You can able to serve this one and serve this one. This is the easiest way for you to connect two generator using one electric motor. The best way to do it is the way I'm showing you now. You can run two generators very well using single electric motor, which is very the best. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can also get update, comments, like, share to your friends and other things concerning this position. Continue, go back to the playlist to see the more position of this area. I'll see you then.